really thin, really emaciated. You can see the scars on his face. And he even has some burns on his whiskers, as you can see. I thought the best thing for him would be to get into some of our offices. So the Humane Law Enforcement folks immediately took him into their office and brought him in and put a little bed together for him. And then I saw that, so of course I did the same thing and made a little bed for him in my office. And now he, as you can see, that's probably what he wants to do all the time. I probably created a little bit of a monster with him. He thinks he's a Chihuahua, but he will spend all day like this in my office. He's very much a favorite of the law enforcement folks as well. You know, we kind of squabble over who gets to have him in their office now.